Now you're getting a lens error on your Nikon COOLPIX and you're wondering how do you fix it? Well, there are a few things that you may want to check here. So first is you want to check for obstructions first. So power off the camera, inspect the lens barrier here. Dust, sand, and or dirt here are common culprits, so use a soft brush or a bulb air blower to gently clean around the lens. And also you may want to power cycle the camera. Now turn the camera off, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This simple reset often realigns the lens. And also you may want to remove and reset the battery. Now turn off your camera, take out the battery, wait for about 30 to 60 seconds, then reinsert and power back on to clear temporary glitches. Now, if this doesn't work, you may want to perform a factory or soft reset here. Now, you may want to check your manual for the reset options in the settings menu. Now, factory reset can fix persistent electronic issues that aren't mechanical. Now, if you don't want to perform a factory or soft reset here, you can also gently tap or shake, but with care here. Now, if dirt is stuck inside, hold the camera firmly and lightly tap it against your palm to try to dislodge particles or dirt inside. So do not do this forcefully. Remember, be careful. And also, you may want to carefully guide the lens. Now, if the lens starts to move but jams, you can very gently assist it by nudging it as it retracts or extends. Now, stop immediately if you feel strong resistance. And also, if none of this works, seek professional repair or help. Now, if none of the steps before works for you, contact Nikon support or bring the camera to an authorized service center. Also, keep your camera in a case, avoid dusty or sandy environments, and handle it carefully to prevent drops. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.